how to buy the first meme token. So this token came under the symbol of first. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel chat. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 700% in the last 24 hours. So this token itself, it's trending number 9 in this Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet for this. After that, click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now after that, click here and paste token address in the search bar. As you can see, this is also going to click on it, and after that, click on instead. Here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on pricing, click on provider and select Jupiter. Now click on apply and go back, and you can click here on swap, and after that you will be able to redirect to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy first token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.